नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका ज्ञान अधिकार चैनल पर स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम टॉप 20 जीके क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। कोशिश करिए कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रश्नों के सही उत्तर दे पाएं। आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। ज्ञान अधिकार, ज्ञान करें सपना साकार। इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इज लोकेटेड इन Answer is 2. Trivandrum International Airport is located in which place? Answer is 4. India's highest airport is located in Answer is 1. Devi Ahilyabai Volkar International Airport is located in Answer is 4. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Airport is located in Answer is 2. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located in which place? Answer is 3. Which international airport is located in Hyderabad? Answer is 4. Dum Dum Airport is located in Answer is 1. Sahara International Airport is located in which area? Answer is 3. Annadurai International Airport is located in which place? Answer is 1. Which international airport is located in Bengaluru? Answer is 3. Vasco da Gama International Airport is located in which place? Answer is 1. Gopinath Bardolio International Airport is located in which place? Answer is 4. Rajashansi International Airport is located in Answer is 3. Sangner International Airport is located in. Answer is 4. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is located in which place? Answer is 2. Gaya Airport is located in. Answer is 3. Imphal International Airport is located in which place? Answer is 1. Mangaluru International Airport is located in. Answer is 3. Raja Bhoj International Airport is located in. आंसर इज 2. वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग जनरल नॉलेज के लिए देखते रहिए ज्ञान अधिकार। धन्यवाद। ज्ञान अधिकार, ज्ञान करे सपना साकार।